If you've ever wondered what the best way to start your fitness journey is, or if you're curious about the ideal exercises for beginners, you're in the right place. Starting a fitness routine can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. In this video, we're going to answer all the burning questions you might have, like how often you should work out, and what equipment you need. We'll also share tips on how to stay motivated, create a personalized fitness plan. And, of course, we'll give you some insider tips on building confidence in your fitness journey so you can see results faster and enjoy the process. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start your fitness journey with confidence. Plus, we have some special tips that you won't want to miss, which will help you stay committed and see amazing results. So, let's get started and make this fitness journey a successful and enjoyable one together. Starting your fitness journey with confidence is crucial because it sets the tone for your entire experience. When you feel confident, you're more likely to stay committed, push through challenges, and enjoy the process. Throughout this video, we'll be guiding you through essential tips and exercises that will help you build that confidence and make your fitness journey a successful one. Now, I want to hear from you. What motivated you to start your fitness journey? Was it a health scare, wanting to feel better, or something else? Let me know in the comments below. Your stories can inspire others who are just starting out too. The key to a successful start is setting realistic goals. It's important to be honest with yourself about what you can achieve in the beginning. Instead of aiming to run a marathon in a month, start with something achievable, like committing to 3 30-minute workouts per week. Next, it's crucial to start slow and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. This helps prevent injury and ensures that you're building a solid foundation. Find activities that you enjoy, whether it's walking, yoga, or a beginner's cardio class. The more you enjoy what you're doing, the more likely you are to stick with it. Finding a workout routine that fits your lifestyle is also essential. If you're a morning person, try to fit in your exercise early in the day. If evenings work better for you, that's perfectly fine too. The goal is to create a routine that you can consistently follow without it feeling like a burden. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your fitness goals, and how do you plan to start your journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your goals might inspire others to set their own. Don't go anywhere because next up, we'll be discussing the ideal exercises for beginners. These exercises are designed to help you build strength, improve flexibility, and boost your confidence. Now that we've talked about how to start your fitness journey, let's move on to the fun part, the exercises. When you're just starting out, it's important to focus on exercises that are easy to learn and perform, yet effective in building strength and stamina. Some of the best exercises for beginners are bodyweight exercises. These include squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. These exercises don't require any equipment and can be done anywhere. Plus, they help you build a strong foundation and improve your overall fitness. Cardio exercises are also great for beginners. Walking, jogging, or cycling are excellent ways to get your heart rate up and improve cardiovascular health. Start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration as your fitness level improves. Another fantastic option for beginners is yoga. Yoga not only helps with flexibility and balance, but also promotes relaxation and mindfulness. There are plenty of beginner-friendly yoga routines available online that you can follow along with at home. Remember, the most important thing is to focus on your form and technique. This helps prevent injuries and ensures you're getting the most out of each exercise. And don't be afraid to start slow. It's all about progress, not perfection. I'm curious, which beginner exercises are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. Your feedback might help someone else find their new favorite exercise. Stay with me because next, we'll discuss how often you should work out as a beginner. We'll cover the perfect balance between exercise and rest to maximize your results. Great job sticking with me so far. Now, let's talk about how often you should work out as a beginner. Finding the right balance between exercise and rest is key to making steady progress and avoiding burnout or injury. For beginners, a good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 4 workouts per week. This gives your body enough time to recover between sessions while still building a consistent routine. Remember, quality is more important than quantity. It's better to have 3 solid workouts than to overdo it and risk getting injured. Each workout can be around 30 to 45 minutes. You can mix in different types of exercises to keep things interesting and work various muscle groups. For example, you might do strength training on Mondays and Thursdays, cardio on Tuesdays, and a yoga session on Saturdays. This variety helps prevent boredom and keeps your body challenged in different ways. Rest and recovery are just as important as the workouts themselves. Make sure to listen to your body and take rest days when needed. These rest days are when your muscles repair and grow stronger, so don't skip them. Stretching and light activities like walking or gentle yoga can also be part of your recovery routine. Stop. If you're loving this content, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Doing so will motivate us to create more of this, and it will also make YouTube to recommend this video to other beautiful people like you that needs this information. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Alright, let's move on to something that can really enhance your fitness journey: equipment. As a beginner, you don't need to go out and buy a ton of expensive gear, but having a few essential items can make a big difference in your workouts. First up, a good pair of athletic shoes. Proper footwear is crucial for providing support and reducing the risk of injury. Choose shoes that are comfortable and suitable for the type of exercise you're doing, whether it's running, strength training, or a cardio class. Next, consider getting some basic equipment like dumbbells or resistance bands. Dumbbells are great for strength training exercises, and resistance bands are incredibly versatile. They're perfect for adding resistance to your workouts without taking up much space. Both are excellent investments that can grow with you as your fitness level improves. A yoga mat is another useful item, especially if you're working out at home. It provides cushioning for floor exercises and yoga, making your workouts more comfortable. Plus, it's easy to roll up and store away when you're done. If you're into cardio, a jump rope can be a fun and effective tool. It's great for improving coordination and cardiovascular health, and it's super portable, so you can take it anywhere. Remember, you don't need to buy everything at once. Start with the basics and add to your collection as you progress. The key is to have equipment that makes your workouts enjoyable and effective. What piece of equipment are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. Your input could help others decide what to start with too. Staying motivated is one of the biggest challenges for anyone starting a fitness journey. But don't worry, I've got some tips that will help you keep the fire burning and stay committed to your goals. Tracking your progress is a powerful motivator. Whether it's through a fitness app, a journal, or a simple checklist, recording your workouts and progress can help you see how far you've come. It's incredibly rewarding to look back and see the progress you've made over time. Joining a fitness community or finding a workout buddy can also boost your motivation. Being part of a group or having a friend to exercise with can make workouts more enjoyable and keep you accountable. You can share your goals, celebrate your successes, and support each other through the challenges. And don't forget to mix things up. Doing the same routine every day can get boring fast. Try different types of workouts, like switching from cardio to strength training or trying out a new fitness class. Keeping your routine fresh will help you stay excited and engaged. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you face when it comes to staying motivated? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's support each other in staying on track. Finally, let's talk about something that can make or break your fitness journey: confidence. Building confidence in your fitness routine is essential for long-term success and enjoyment. Here's how you can boost your self-assurance as you embark on this exciting journey. First, celebrate your small victories. Every milestone, whether it's completing your first workout or lifting a heavier weight, is an achievement worth acknowledging. Take a moment to pat yourself on the back and recognize how far you've come. These little wins build your confidence and keep you motivated. Surround yourself with positive influences. This could be friends who support your goals, a workout buddy who cheers you on, or even online fitness communities where you can share your progress and get encouragement. Positive reinforcement from others can boost your self-esteem and help you stay focused. Maintaining a positive mindset is crucial. It's easy to get discouraged if you hit a plateau or don't see immediate results. Instead, focus on your progress and remind yourself why you started. Embrace the journey and trust that every step you take is moving you closer to your goals. Lastly, be kind to yourself. Everyone has off days or moments of doubt. What matters is getting back on track and not letting those moments derail your progress. Confidence grows from persistence and self-compassion. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and routines. We have handpicked 2 important videos for you to enjoy. They are right there on your screen. Click now and watch.